Hello, good morning, my dear friends. Today's topic infinite series. Definition: if un is a sequence of real numbers, then the expression u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus and so forth plus un plus and so forth is called an infinite series or simply series, and it is denoted by summation n equal to 1 to infinity un or simply by summation un. Partial sums: if summation un is an infinite series where the terms may be positive or negative, then Sn is equal to u1 plus u2 plus u3 plus and so forth plus un is called the nth partial sum of the series un. Thus Sn is the sum of its first n terms. And one more basic definition: series of positive terms. A series un is said to be a series of positive terms if un is greater than 0 for every n belongs to n. Then behavior of an infinite series. An infinite series un converges, diverges or oscillates finitely or infinitely according as the sequence Sn of its partial sums converges, diverges or oscillates finitely or infinitely. Three possibilities arises. First one, the series un converges if the sequence Sn of its partial sums converges. Thus the series un is convergent if limit Sn as n approaches to infinity is finite. Second, the series un diverges if the sequence Sn of its partial sums diverges. Thus the series un is divergent if limit Sn as n approaches to infinity is equal to plus or minus infinity. The third one, the series un oscillates finitely if the sequence Sn of its partial sums oscillates finitely. Thus Sn does not tend to a unique limit as n approaches to infinity. Then the series un is said to be oscillatory or convergent. An example: test the convergence of the series 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus and so forth plus up to infinity. Solution: here Sn is 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8 plus and so forth plus 1 by 2 to the power n minus 1 is the first n term, is the sum of the first n term of the series is a series in geometric progression, and its sum is equal to 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n divide 1 minus 1 by 2. After simplification we get 2 into bracket of 1 minus 1 by 2 to the power n. Introduce the limit on both sides as n approaches to infinity. Sn is equal to 2, it's finite, thus the series is convergent. Example 2, discuss the convergence of the series, that is 1 by 1 into 2 plus 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 4 plus and so forth plus 1 by n into n plus 1 plus and so forth up to infinity. The solution: here nth term of the series is 1 by n into n plus 1, and it can be written as 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Putting n is equal to 1, 2, 3 and so forth, n u1 is equal to 1 by 1 minus 1 by 2, u2 is equal to 1 by 2 minus 1 by 3, and u3 is equal to 1 by 3 minus 1 by 4 and so forth. Nth term un is equal to 1 by n minus 1 by n plus 1. Adding vertically on both sides, that is left hand side Sn, right hand side we get 1 minus 1 by n plus 1. Now introduce limit on both sides, therefore limit as n approaches to infinity, Sn is equal to limit as n approaches to infinity 1 minus 1 by n plus 1 is equal to 1 minus 0 is 1. It implies sequence of partial sum Sn converges to 1, therefore the series un converges to 1. Thus the series is convergent. Example 3, examine the nature of the series that is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so forth plus n up to infinity. Here Sn is equal to 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so forth. N is the sum of first n term of the partial sum and is equal to n into n plus 1 by 2 by mathematical induction is a arithmetic series. Introduce limit on both sides. As n approaches to infinity, Sn is equal to 1 by 2 limit as n approaches to infinity n into n plus 1, and right hand side limit is infinity, thus the series is divergent. Example 4, discuss the nature of the series, that is 2 minus 2 plus 2 and so forth up to infinity. Solution, here Sn is 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 and so forth up to n terms. Therefore here S1 is 2, S2 is 2 minus 2, that is the sum of first two term of the partial sum. S3 is 2 minus 2 plus 2, that is the sum of first three terms of the partial sum, that is 2, and S4 is 0, and so on. Thus Sn is 0 if n is even, and it is 2 if n is odd. Therefore the sequence Sn is 2 0 2 0 and so forth, which oscillates between 0 and 2. Hence the given series oscillates finitely between 0 and 2.